How to convert Word to Excel. First of all, open the Word file. Click on this icon that you can see at the top. Click on the option Save As. Go to the destination of your choice. Once you do that, what you have to do is save it. Click on the field of Save As type. Make sure to select this option for plain text. Click on the option Save. Click on the option OK. Now open the blank Excel sheet. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. Click on the option Data. Click on the option From Text that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to select the file. Go to the destination where you selected the Word file. Click on that particular Word file that you just saved. Click on the option Import. Now you'll be able to see the text import wizard over here. You can see various options and settings. If you want, you can adjust the settings. Click on the option Next. See other settings as well and click on the option Next. Click on the option Finish. Now after that, click on the option OK. Now once you do that, the data will be exported to the Excel. You may have to format the data according to your choice. Like this, you can convert Word to Excel. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.